Hi, my name is Colin and welcome back to my channel. Our project for today is a cute and comfortable sweater dress. I use my own pattern to recreate this dress, so I will leave a link of my pattern in the description below. This loose, oversized fit sweater dress is great for layering with other garment pieces like leggings or jeans, or just worn as a tunic. The fabric I recommend for this dress is a French terry, which is a knit fabric similar to jersey, ideally in cotton with a slight stretch like spandex for the comfort. For this dress you will need the following pieces: one front, one back, two sleeves and two sleeve cuffs, a neckband, 4 pieces of pockets and a bottom band. We are not going to make this triangle detail. Start by cutting out all the pieces. Stitch the front shoulders to the back shoulders and then close the ends of the neckband. Fold them lengthwise and sew the neckband to the neckline, stretching it to fit. You can top stitch the neckline, but it's optional. Now it's time to sew the pockets on the front side and the back side. Sew the sleeves to the dress around the sleeves line. Stitch along the sleeves down to the pockets and sew around the pockets, then down to the bottom of the dress. Close the sleeve cuffs, fold them lengthwise, stretching it to fit, and sew them to the sleeves. Close the bottom band, fold it lengthwise, stretching it to fit, and sew it to the bottom of the dress, and you are all done. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching!